morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Hi, my name is Josseline. I'm going to present you my chemistry, right. In this lab, I learned important skills like how to describe systems using different methods and type of evidence. I took note of the 3 experiments by making observation. The name of the end of the semester lab that we did chemistry was called Identify Unknown Systems. The name of my unknown systems was NaCl, that is sodium chloride. My partner was Alex Ortega. In this lab, I learned important skills, as I say, how to describe systems using different methods and type of evidence. And I took data notes of the 3 experiments by making observation. And the first evidence I learned to provide evidence for my conclusion using data notes. As you can see, this is my table. These are my 3 trials. In the first trial, I learned that my system it is a good conductor of electricity. In the first experiments, I used water, acetic acid, and my systems. In the 3 trials, the result was the same. In my second experiment, I used mixed NO before my systems and do not make any shades. Just look like a water. In my third experiment, I used I'm not sure about the other systems. I don't remember the system that I used, but with my system, they together did not make any changes. As you can see, this is how my systems look like sugar by itself. My second evidence is our picture. You can see this is the picture from my first experiment. I say it is a good conductor of electricity because the line turned on. This is experiment number 2. Look like a water. And this is the third experiment. The same result, like a water. And the third evidence, I use presentation. The third method that I use is presentation because it is hard to present, and everybody knows that, and it is a challenge. And it is good to show to others what I suffer my assistance. And what challenge, how I say, because I have to say new words, and I'm not good pronouncing words. But when I was explaining, they show what people know about the experiment. The skill I learned in this semester will help me in history because we work in a group sharing ideas and opinions with others, and this will help me in the future because I want to be a doctor. In order to be a doctor, I have to listen to my future patients. The connection that I learned in history class, this will help me because about discrimination. I learned about discrimination, and this will help me how to treat the others equal. Like no put other behind others. Like don't feel superior or inferior. Equal. Like make a balance. The conclusion. I learned how to provide evidence using different methods, and I learned how to be careful with dangerous chemicals and follow instructions. Also, I read and took note in English, and this will help me because I'm learning English like everybody in this school, and I think this will help me to go to college and to communicate with others. Any questions?
What were the procedures that you followed in the lab?
Again,
What were the procedures that you followed in the lab?
can you be more clear, please?
What were the procedures?
Procedures.
The procedures, like the things that you did in each experiment.
In the first experiment, I put 5 grams over my systems, 50 milliliters of water, and 50 milliliters of acetic acid. As you can see, I put 2 metals inside the graduate cylinder, and together make a good conductor. In the second experiment, I just used NaBO for my system, and it looks like water. And the third experiment, how do I say, I forget the name of the other chemical, but I use my systems and that chemical into my ignitions. Just water. I'm sorry. This one. Any other questions?
Reflection on your performance in this lab. If you had to go back and do the lab again, what would you do definitely?
Shame my partner, definitely, because what's hard for me, I did it all by myself. I took notes, I took the pictures, and I write. I did all the presentation, but at least my partner helped me presenting. That's what a big help for me.
What were the trends that you observed in the lab?
Is this it?
What were the trends that you observed in the lab?
The trends. And the first one, and the first experiment, that was my favorite because, how do I say, again, I will say that it is a good conductor of electricity. It is the only one that makes shade. And the other 2 experiments do not make any shade.
So if you can go back to your overview slide, please. Oh wait, there's the one before, the title one. So the name of your substance, how do you say the name of your substance? Like, what does Na, the chemical symbol, Na?
And it's
And Cl is,
fluoride,
so do you know how to say the name of the substance?
sodium chloride. And also this system can be used for food because it's sour.
So, do you know what kind of compound it is?
Compound. Compound. Es componente, ¿verdad?
So, sodium and chlorine are bonded together. And is sodium a metal or a nonmetal?
Oh, metal.
And chlorine, is that a metal or nonmetal?
No, metal.
So when a metal donates electrons to a nonmetal, do you know what kind of compound it forms?
No.
And so can you describe an event that has influenced your personality?
Well, in my country, the education is not good, and I think chemistry class impacted my life because I'm learning new things, and it is hard because I didn't know anything. And I want to study medicine. I want to be a surgeon, and I need to know about chemistry.
And so can you describe your personality a little bit? Like, who is Josseline?
Josseline is a crazy girl that always playing around, screaming, but also she likes to help others because she knows how hard it is when you're new. Selfish. She's selfish. Competitive because she likes to do the best that she can.
Okay. And so how has your personality affected you as a learner this semester?
I think that I need to work with my partner because I like to do all the work by myself. I need to share ideas and opinions with others, not myself, because it is the way how we learn.
I think those are all the questions that I have. Thank you very much.